Hello and welcome back to Eat to Live Strong. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Vlogmas Day 22, where today I discovered that your girl didn't have a wreath on her door for Christmas. So I am about to show you how to make a wreath within 15 minutes and for less than $10. That's right, less than $10. So hang in there and come with me and let's get started. So the whole idea is to complete this DIY with a budget of 10 bucks. I purchased the donut of styrofoam from the floor department in Walmart for $1.98. I purchased the bowl from Walmart for 3 bucks. I already had the push pin, the ornaments, the flowers, the pipe cleaner, the beads, and the ribbon already in my home. So I spent 5 bucks. So I'm way under budget of $10. Yay! Now let's get started with the ribbon and the push pins. Wrap the donut with the ribbon and secure it in place with the push pin. And so I used some ribbon that I had left on my tree from 2 years ago. It was a bow that I made, and what I've done was wrap all that ribbon around the donut so that you cannot see the green styrofoam. So you're gonna have to wrap it like 3 or 4 times. But this is what it looks like now, all shiny and new. So now I am going to do some more work to it. Bad, yes. Secure the ornaments with wire so that it can penetrate the styrofoam and the ribbon. And there you have it. 15 minutes to make this beautiful bow that's budget friendly and within 15 minutes and under $10. Now let's take it to the door. And there you have it. This DIY project was completed within 15 minutes and for under $10. I used some red ribbon that I had in the house to make a bow to fill in the gap between the ornaments and the wreath. I also did not use the red beads because they were too heavy for the project. Do me a favor, please. Just have fun out there. Be safe. Don't leave your packages in the car and be aware of your surroundings. Also, wear your face mask. Wash your hands, and if you do not have access to a sink, use the hand sanitizer, but please make sure you practice the social distancing. Also, give back to the Salvation Army or any organization that is giving back to the community. Thank you again for joining me. You have a blessed and happy holiday. Like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified of the videos when they're uploaded. I'll see you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.